Are you ready to turn your passion for pizza into a thriving business? Join us at Fire Within's Wood-Fired University this August 15th to 18th in beautiful Denver, Colorado. Over the course of 3 immersive days, you'll dive into essential skills and techniques needed to succeed in the mobile wood-fired pizza industry. The class will be led by Chef Thomas Garnick, a California Cheese Grand Pizza champion, who will share insights from his extensive experience. But it's not just about mastering the art of pizza making. You'll also have the incredible opportunity to network with fellow attendees, building valuable connections and relationships that can help you throughout your journey. In just 4 days, you'll learn vital preparation and cooking techniques while gaining insights into how to avoid common pitfalls new entrepreneurs often face. By the end of the program, you'll feel confident and ready for your very first catering event. Join us at Fire Within's Wood-Fired University from August 15th to 18th in Denver. This is your chance to take the first step toward making your pizza dreams a reality. Don't miss out. Spots are limited, so secure your place today at Fire Within. Your journey into the world of mobile wood-fired pizza awaits.